Making some guacamole. Right now, Thor is preparing the steaks with his hammer.
Sufficient.
Thor is going to cook these on the grill. And I'm going to make mine into a steak-like bowl. A steak bowl. Garlic, salt.
Yes. Anything else you'd like to add? I bought some curry powder.
Ooh, no, I don't want that.
You want to smell it?
Did you put sea salt on it? What is
I
this?
put garlic salt on it.
What is this?
That's for after that's my reward for going to the dentist because I'm scared.
Okay.
After I get my tooth fixed, I'm going to ruin it again with a big giant fucking Snickers.
Bleep.
Can't bleep the God of Thunder. I am Thor. And I'm thinking
curry?
about putting some curry on my steak. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I'm not sure.
We should have got something to drink for me
Like what?
when we were at Meyer.
Like alcohol?
No, like anything other than an energy drink. What am I supposed to drink in between? I should have got True Lemon at the dollar store so I could drink lemon water.
Damn it. Well, there's this thing we both have called vehicles. We could go back to the store.
But you're in your comfy pants.
Woo! I'm not putting that on my steak. But it'll be awesome. Add some chicken. Oh, I thought you were going to smell it. Don't, it's really strong.
Woo! Yeah, oh, chicken. Not on steak, chicken.
It'd be good on chicken, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that smells fucking great. Why are you recording?
Why not?
Eat this, keto people. I'm gonna start the grill.
Okay. So this is what I did with my steak. I cut it up. I made some guacamole. I put some sour cream on, some verde salsa, some cheese, and some salt and pepper, and it's delicious. Delicious. Alright guys, so this is everything that I got for my kids from the Dollar Tree. This is all Dollar Tree candy. I did get some other things down there that I will show you that is from Five Below if you've never been. It's basically a store that is sort of like Dollar Tree, but everything is under $5. It's higher quality stuff and I really like it. But Happy Mama and her 4 daughters, Lily, Hetty, Ivy, and Daisy, sent me some money to buy some candy for my kids for their Easter baskets, and they were super excited to send it, and so I'm just giving them kind of a little shout out in the video. So thank you guys, thank you so much for sending that to me. My kids are going to really love all this candy. Look at all this candy that you guys bought them. They're gonna love it. That's so nice of you guys to send that. Alright, so my kids like sour candies. Why aren't you focusing? Come on. It's not focusing on this. My kids like sour candies. So Dollar Tree had these cute little metal. This isn't metal. What do you call this? Tin? Like these cute little tin eggs. Reusable eggs that are Warheads with the Warheads candy in it. And they like Airheads, so we got Airheads, Warheads. Actually, Reese and Peyton both got the Warheads because they like the Warheads the most. And then there was a sweet tart one. And I think these eggs are kind of neat. Then I got, and like the bigger bags of candy that I got, I'm going to like break those up and put them into like little baggies or like little plastic eggs. So they had Starburst jelly beans, so I got 2 bags of those, and then they had the Jelly Belly sours. Again, my kids really like sour candies. Got 2 bags of those. We got 2 bags of the chocolate coin, like little bunny monies is what they're called. So we got 2 of those. We got 1 of the chocolate carrots, and then 1 of just the little chocolate eggs. This is Palmer's chocolate, really good chocolate. These are also Palmer's chocolate, and I thought this was really cool. This is a Sprinkles candy bar, white chocolate flavored candy with sprinkles, and that's a pretty big candy bar for $1. So we got one for each one of the kids for those. There was 5 in a pack of these little jelly beans. Again, this is all from Dollar Tree. The little chewy lemon heads, and then these super cute Easter candies, which I would compare to Sweet Tarts. Dollar Tree is a pretty good option to go for if you're trying to get candy for Easter, in my opinion. I've never seen these, but these were Warhead Worms. So this is like actually packed full. We got 2 packs of the Warhead Worms. They had Russell Stover mini chocolate coconut eggs. So I got 2 bags of those to split amongst them. Another thing that my kids usually like to buy themselves with their allowance is these sour ring pops. So there's 4 in a pack, so 1 for each of them. Then there was these little pucker packs. These are powder, sour fruity powder, pour and pucker. So there's 18 pouches in this. I can split that up between the kids. And then they had these peanut butter filled. 2 of them are white chocolate, and then 2 of them are just regular chocolate. These look so good. I would so eat that right now if I could. I did not get Corey Bubbles, but they have 2 sizes of these at Dollar Tree. They have ones that are probably half the size, and it's $1, why not get the bigger one, right? So I got one for each one of the younger kids, Tiffany, Reese, and Peyton. Oh, I guess I got 4 bags of those, 1 for each of them. And then I got a big bag of pixie sticks to split up between them. That is actually a good deal. I feel like that would be more somewhere else. And then this stuff, no, this was from the Dollar Tree. These 2 things right here were from Dollar Tree. Tiffany really likes llamas and unicorns. So this is a window cling she can put on her window in her room. Really cute, funny, I don't know. And then she really likes stickers too, and I just thought that these were really cute little stickers, so I got those for Tiff. And then at Five Below, I got her this little journal. They have all different kinds, but I liked this one the most. It was super cute with a little unicorn on, and it's all fuzzy. And then for Corey, he needed a new USB cord. This is a 10-foot cable for his Xbox controller to hook up to, so he stops using so much batteries. And then Reese and Peyton, I got them some fart candy and some joke squirting gum. And then, actually, these 2 books were from Dollar Tree as well. Learn How to Draw Jungle Animals and Dinosaurs. And then at Five Below, I got them each a book. This one, they really like space, learning about space. So this is a neat book. Tells you about the space shuttles and rockets and just, you know, space. Neat. And then we got this one about the human body, which they also find interesting. Just, they like to read about this kind of stuff, so just neat stuff. So yeah, that's what we got for their Easter baskets this year, and I will go ahead and put those together and show you what they look like. Alright, so this is what their baskets look like now. So this is Easter baskets for 7 kids. What kind of things did you guys put in your kids' Easter baskets? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Not all of my content is like this. It's usually mostly keto related. However, there are times when I do like Dollar Tree hauls and just other types of hauls when I get things. So, see you guys in the next one.